And guys, I'm going to show it to you guys how to do a premiere, to set up a premiere. First, I have to exit this first, okay? So you need to go to your Chrome. Then next is go to your YouTube Studio, your channel dashboard. Ayan. Ayan. Then next is you're going to click this right here. Again, guys, right there, this upload video sign there. Click that, and then lalabas yan yung ganyan, and select a file. When you select a file, guys, let's just try this. I'm not sure if I have a video here, the short videos. Ayan, I'll try to select this lavender farm. And guys, after you get done the uploading, and it's somewhere here, down here, uploading percent 32% and 34 seconds left. So while it's downloading, you have to work on your descriptions or your title, and then after you get done that, you need to go to no, it's not made for kids. If it's not made for kids, just click that. And the next is going to, ayan, it says here, guys, upload complete. Next is going, yeah, next mo lang yan siya, guys. Just click next. And then here we go, guys. If you want to do the premiere schedule, wait a minute. If you want to do a premiere schedule, it says here, right here, guys, there's a private, unlisted, or public. You put public. Click the public, and then set as instant premiere. I click the schedule, guys, right here. Right there, the schedule. Select the schedule, and then select this, what date you want, and time if you want, and then set premiere as premiere, something like this, guys. I-click mo lang yan siya, guys. Yan, click the set premiere, and then always check, guys, if it's still loading, processing HD version SD complete. It says complete, and then you need to click right next is scheduled. So pagkatapos niyan, guys, mas schedule na yan siya for premiere. Ayan. But I don't want to put this in that premiere right now. Ayan. So, ayan, ganun yan siya pag maggawa kayo ng premiere. So, check it out. We'll see you. I hope guys na may matutunan kayo kahit ano lang, kahit konti-konti, pa-konti-konti. May matutunan tayo. I love to share it with you guys. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in my next video.